How to block someone on Messenger or on iPhone. So first of all, just go ahead to your App Store or Google Play, and what I'm going to do here, I'm going to click on my avatar icon at the top right, and from here what I'm going to do, I'm going to just double check if the Messenger app needs to be updated. So I'm going to start looking for the Messenger. If I didn't find it right here, I'm going to just go ahead to the apps and just go ahead and start looking for Messenger right here and double check if the app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it, and if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just open up the Messenger, and I'm going to just go ahead into the interface of the app, and as you can see right here, this is my chat. Now if I want to block someone on Messenger, just go ahead and click on their name, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click on their name at the top middle. You get to see it, and basically you get to see the block button right here. And what I'm gonna do right here, you're gonna see if you want to block messages and calls, your Facebook account won't receive messages or calls from this user, and this account won't be blocked on Facebook. So you may still be able to see this person's post, comment, and restrictions on Facebook. And if you shared groups or rooms with this account, you will still be able to see and communicate with each other. You can leave groups or rooms anytime. But if you want to block on Facebook, that means that this user's messages and calls will also be blocked as well. All right, so if you want to block them only on Messenger, just go ahead and do it and hit block, and basically that's it. All right, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.